What's up YouTubes, Rob's here. Today we're going to be putting in our new SD cards. Just picked these up from Best Buy. Micro SD card, 32 gig up to 80 MBS. Let's get right to it. Alright, so I presume the Mavic has to be on for me to do this. So we're just going to put it in and then look on the app, see if we can format the cards. And we will format both of them so they're both ready to go. Like really, like I don't want to snap the thing, you know. Wow. Woo. Check it out. Hopefully it goes in with the wording up. Okay, I don't think it goes in that way. So maybe it goes with the it goes with the wording down on mine. Does it click in? Or calm down. Okay. Push it in far enough, it just clicks into place. Close up the little latch. Let's check out the software. So, where would you go if you were a format? Somewhere around here. Gonna move it over to the right or something? Or maybe here. Settings. Histogram, file index, storage location, storage location. SD card. Format SD card. OK. Formatting. SD card formatted, OK. Let's format the internal settings storage as well, just to get that out of the way. Alright, now I'm going to open up the second card and we'll get that one formatted, so we are good to go. Alright, second card, let's push that in. It's going in upside down. Push it all the way until it stays in there. And now we're going to go format SD card, no SD card. And we have to go out and go back in. SD card. Format SD card, OK. Formatting. Okay, looks like the second card is now formatted. Okay, well there you have it. That's how you format the SD cards for the Mavic Air. See you soon.